In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Elevated Leverage Index System Tracker in TradingView Pro. Before we jump into the actual clicks, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any asset or time frame is fine. We just need a chart loaded so we can add the indicator to it. On your chart, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. When you click it, TradingView will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and manage all the different tools you can add to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search field. This is where you're going to type the name of the tool you want to add. Taking a moment here to use the search box is the easiest way to find specific scripts without scrolling through long lists or categories. Now, in the search box, type Elevated Leverage Index System. Be sure you type it carefully so it matches the name of the script you're looking for. As you type, TradingView will automatically start filtering results. You should see the Elevated Leverage Index System appear in the list below the search bar. When you see it in the results, click on it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will add the indicator directly onto your current chart. You'll notice new lines, signals, or panels appear, depending on how the Elevated Leverage Index System is designed. That means it has been successfully added. If you want to customize how it looks or how it behaves, hover your mouse over the name of the indicator at the top left of your chart. Click on the settings icon next to its name. This will open a settings window where you can adjust inputs, colors, visibility, and other options so that it matches your trading style and preferences. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators, faster data, and additional charting features, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you a smoother experience when using tools like the Elevated Leverage Index System. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box, look for the Elevated Leverage Index System, and add it to your chart. Once it's on there, you can start exploring how it can fit into your overall trading plan.